In today's video, we're going to show you how to renew your Indian passport from Canada. For an Indian living in Canada, this could be very concerning, especially if your passport is near expiration. Today, we're going to cover the process of renewing your Indian passport from Canada so that you can avoid risking your immigration status or breaking any rules. So here are the 5 steps to renew your Indian passport from Canada. If you are unable to return to India to renew your passport because of the coronavirus, do not fret. Please note that these steps are in accordance with the procedures outlined by the General Consulate of India in Toronto, Canada. They make it possible to file the proper documentation so that you do not violate any visa or immigration rules. The first step is to fill out an application. First, navigate to the online application portal. You will be asked where you are applying from. Choose the Americas, then click Canada. From there, you will be redirected to a page that breaks down the application process. Review the steps and click Register. You will take the information from your registration and log into your new account. At this point, you can complete the application process. Please remember to print the confirmation of your application for future reference or proof. The next step is to take official photos. Once you've submitted your application, there are a few materials that you must collect, the first being photos. You will need to take 2 photos that meet the following requirements. It must be in color, not in black and white. The dimensions should be 51mm by 51mm. The photo should be front-facing with eyes open and no dramatic facial expressions. The background must be solid white or nearly white, and your full face must be showing, including your hair and down to your chin. No shadows can be cast over facial features, and head coverings are only permitted for religious reasons. We encourage you to check out the photo guidelines document from the embassy for examples and additional rules. The third step is to prepare documents and materials. In addition to your photos, there are a few other documents that you need to collect. You'll need copies of the following materials: your first and last pages of your current passport, proof of legal status in Canada, your PR code, your study or work visa, your visitor record, your landing papers, your proof of residence, driver's license, or any other government ID with an address. Bear in mind that you simply need a copy, not the original documents. The fourth step is to fill out an Annexure E form. The final document you need is an Annexure E form. You must print this form on a plain piece of paper and fill it out to submit with your documents. You can also download this form with the link below. And the final step is to submit your documents. There are several places to submit these documents to finalize your Indian passport renewal process. Normally, you can submit them in person to workshops in Winnipeg, Brampton, and Toronto. However, these rules for submission are ever-changing due to the coronavirus-related closures. And finally, you've completed the process and now you're just waiting for your passport. After you've submitted all your materials, all you can do is sit back and wait. Because of the COVID-19 virus, the standard wait time is hard to establish. As we mentioned, we are sharing information from the Consulate of General India in Canada. Any further questions or concerns should be directed towards their representatives by phone or by email. We wish you the best of luck on your passport renewal, and thanks for watching.